So I thought I'd do this video to help you ones that have got the Lowrider version 4. I've been using MillMage since the RC2 release. This is the way I normally start it, is I always open up Fluid NC first, check everything green and sweet, and then normally home it from there, and then open up MillMage. Start a new project here. Okay, so I haven't actually used the Lowrider setup that MillMage has. I set up my own, and I imported everything from Ryan's settings for SLCam. So if you open up device settings here and go into there, I'll zoom in a bit. So that's enabled, which does that automatically. And then these ones here is what I've worked out. It's all been trial and error for me to do it. In the custom G codes, that, I don't know why that's in there, I don't normally have that. So header I just leave empty, verbos output on, output tool changer on, has tool length probe on. Why is that not going up? And then down the bottom, fetch configure on connect is on. And if we move it over here, everything I leave as is that MillMage has. On connect, I put in the dollar report interval 200. I use user in script to move the machine out of the way when I'm finished. So you can set that. I always home Z and then go to wherever you want. The tool change, I've just put what Ryan has. I have added the extra second probe down. You've got to have at with P in MillMage for it to accept it. Otherwise, if you leave the M in, M0, it doesn't work and arrows out. I don't use the tool length probe in MillMage because if you do, it'll double probe on everything. So I just found it was easier to get rid of it. Apart from that, they're the only settings I've ever put in. And it's always ran sweet as. I've always ran from Wi-Fi from day one. In probably 80 odd hours of cutting, it's only ever paused once on me. I'll take you into the devices. So this is the way I've set it up. Yeah. Millimeters. I'm not 100% sure exactly what that means, but I just leave it on. And that's all I have in there, and that's done. So that's basically the setup that I've used from day one. So